In this video, I will show you how to install TiviMate on your Firestick. Now, over here, I have my Fire TV Stick Lite connected to my TV, but this should work for any Fire TV Stick you have, whether it's the Fire TV Stick 4K, the Fire TV Stick Cube, or even an Amazon Fire TV. By the end of this video, you should be able to download and install the TiviMate IPTV Player app on any Fire Stick or Fire TV you have. Now, first things first, you have to make sure that your Fire Stick is actually connected to the internet, and once that is done, you want to head over to this search icon on the left hand side of your Fire Stick. Now come over to the input field over here, and then you want to go ahead and start typing downloader. Now, in case you do not know, the TiviMate IPTV Player app is actually on the Google Play Store, but because the Amazon Fire Stick or Fire TV Stick does not have the Google Play Store, we are going to be sideloading it into our Fire Stick, and for that we need the downloader app. So go ahead and start typing downloader, and even before I finish typing, you can literally see the downloader suggestion over here. So you want to go ahead and select this option, and then proceed to select the downloader app over here. That is the downloader app by AFTV News. Now what you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the download button over here. I'll give the TV some few seconds to properly download and install the app into our Fire Stick. Now once the app is done downloading and installing, before you proceed to open up the downloader app, come back to the home of your Fire Stick, and then you want to head over to the settings icon, that is this gear icon over here. Now scroll down until you get to my Fire TV option over here. Now from here, you're going to see the developer options over here, but if you do not see these developer options, to make it appear, what you want to do is to go over to the about option over here, then go ahead and click on the name of your Fire Stick at the top over here for 7 times. So just continuously select it for 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and if you're not a developer, the TV will automatically make you a developer. As you can see, I am already a developer and I already have the developer options on my Fire Stick. Now go ahead and select these developer options over here, and then come over to the install unknown apps option, select it, and then come over to this downloader app and make sure you enable this permission for the downloader app on your Fire Stick. Now once that is done, we can now open up our downloader app. So come back to the home of the TV, and then come over to the list of apps over here. Go ahead and open up your downloader app. Now give downloader permission to access files on your TV, then click on the OK button, and then at this point you want to come over to the browser tab at the top left corner of your downloader app. Come over there. Now enter this input field at the top of the downloader app. So just scroll over to the top and then select the input field. Now you want to go ahead and type TiviMate. So just clear up everything inside of the input field and type TiviMate inside of here. Now once you're done, go ahead and click on the go button over here, and this will automatically give you results from the Google search results, where you can actually download the TiviMate IPTV Player app APK into your Fire Stick. Now at this point, what you just want to do is to scroll down continuously until you get to the official TiviMate IPTV Player app, which is basically this website over here. So you want to go ahead and select it. You can literally see the website over here. Go ahead and click on it, and as you can see at the top, we have the TiviMate.com, which is basically the official TiviMate website. And at this point, you just want to scroll down until you get to the download APK over here. So just come over here and click on download APK, and automatically the TiviMate IPTV Player app APK will start downloading into your Fire Stick. You want to give it some few minutes to properly download, and just like so, the app is now being installed into our Fire Stick. What you just want to do is to go ahead and click on the install button at the bottom over here. So come here and click on install. Now the app is done downloading, so you want to go ahead and click on the done button over here, and then you can go ahead and delete the TiviMate app APK because we no longer need it. The app has actually been installed into our TV, so just go ahead and click on delete so that you do not unnecessarily consume the space on your Fire Stick. Now once that is done, come back to the home of your Fire Stick. And at this point, if you come over to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, you should be able to find the TiviMate IPTV Player app as one of the apps on the TV. So you can just scroll down over here. You can literally see the app, so I can go ahead and open it up directly from here. And just like so, we now have the TiviMate IPTV Player app running smoothly on our Fire Stick. So you can now add your playlist and start enjoying your contents on the TiviMate IPTV Player app on your Fire Stick. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.